Hey, Tiny, you see that button?
Yeah.
That beautiful, shiny button?
Oh, you mean the button that is taking every fiber of my being not to press? Yeah, I see it.
Press it.
Oh, hecky, yeah! Oh, let's hustle, daddy!
Too much hustle is a thing.
Huh. Look at that.
You know what I really want? I want
Poppy!
No! Ultimate combo!
BroZone has you covered!
The ultimate combo!
Perfect! Just instead of butter, can I get sprinkles? Just cover everything with sprinkles.
Sprinkle!
Trolls band together in theaters November 17th. Rated PG.